Welcome to New England Crypto. My name is Matthew, and these are two brand new IceRiver AL0 cryptocurrency miners. Let's take a closer look. The IceRiver AL0 is a piece of crypto mining hardware that secures the Alephium blockchain at 400 gigahash and only 100 watts, turning electricity and internet into that sweet passive income. Power on one side, Ethernet on the other. Alright, now that we have both of the units up and hashing, let's go ahead and do a sound test with the decibel meter. Wow, these things really are quiet. And these things are still making over $3 a day each.